Okay, good morning. So in this video, I will be showing the procedure of practical number 2, which is the image subsetting. So the two types of image subsetting are spatial subset and the spectral subset. But in this activity, I will be doing spatial subset, which is the process of taking a small image area from the large image area. So this image here, or satellite image here, covers a very large area, and the project area is just a part of it, or a portion of it. And what we want to do here is to subset this image in order to have a separate image for the project area, so that in image processing and analysis, you will not be working on the whole image, but instead only in the project area image. So there are two methods of doing that. First, we have the region of interest method, or simply ROI method, and the second one is the coordinates method. But in this video, I will be doing region of interest method only, and the coordinates method will be on the next video. Okay, so let's open the ENVI 5.4 software. Okay, so we have here already the ENVI 5.4 software. So the first step is to open the image that we want to subset. So open the image. So go to your folder where your image file is being saved. So in this activity, we will open the image for tutorial. So go to file, open, then go to drive C, program files, Harris, ENVI 5.4, data, and the QB Boulder MSI. So this is the file name of the image. Okay, so we have now here the satellite image that we want to subset. Okay, so next step is to create an ROI, or region of interest. So in layer manager na, go to the image file name, right click on the file name and go to new region of interest. Okay, so this region of interest tool window will appear, no? Or you can simply click this one, this icon in the toolbars. Okay, so the same will give you the same window. Next step, still in the region of interest tool, you can see here ROI name. So region of interest number 1. So you can rename it. Then here in the geometry, you can see the different polygon here, no? Shapes, no? So we have polygon, we have the rectangle, ellipse, lines, and so on. So it depends on the shape or boundary of your project area or region of interest. So in this activity, I will use rectangle. So click rectangle and then go to the project area. So let us assume that the project area here is somewhere here on the upper left corner of this satellite image. So click on the first corner of the project area or the ROI, then drag up to the other corner, then release and double click. Okay, so this is now our region of interest. Next, we are now ready to resize or to subset the image. So in the toolbox here on the right side, you can see the toolbox here. So go to raster management. So double click raster management or simply click the plus sign here. Then find the resize data here. So we have here the resize data. Okay. And the resize data input file will open. Here you can see the image file, the QB Boulder MSI, which is the input file. Yeah. So click the image file, and as you can see here, spatial subset and spectral subset will appear. But as I've said a while ago, that in this activity we are doing spatial subset. So click or select spatial subset. Select spatial subset window will appear. So this window. And here you can see here subset using the following: image, map, file, and ROI. Yeah? And the other method that I have mentioned a while ago, which is the coordinate method, is under this map. And since we are using the ROI method, select the ROI box here. So click ROI, then subset image ROI window will appear. So we have here the ROI name, no? ROI number 1, because we did not change the name a while ago. Well, you just leave ROI number 1. So click ROI number 1 and then click OK. OK. Then OK. So in this resize data parameters, you have the samples and lines. So this is now the number of samples and number of lines, or the size or the dimension of this ROI. Then in the sampling, we have the 3 methods of resampling here. We have the nearest neighbor, we have the bilinear, and the cubic convolution. And we will select the nearest neighbor. And to save your output file, click choose here so that you can go to your folder where you want to save your output. So for me, I want to save in drive D, and then type the file name here. So we'll use subset by, or subset, simply subset, ROI, ROI, okay? Then open, then okay. This file already exists. Yeah, since I have already ROI, no problem. So just click yes. Okay, so resizing or subsetting is done. So we have here now the subset image. So to check that, let's close the whole image. Okay, so we have now the subset image where we can work for the image processing and analysis. So if you want to open later, yeah, so we will close this. So in the data manager, if you want to close all, just go to the data manager and close all. Yes, save no. Okay, so let us assume that we reopen the ENVI. Yeah? Then you want to open now the subset image. So open. Where did I save? I save it in the drive. Then subset by ROI. So it's here. Open. Okay. So that is now the subset image. Okay. Thanks for watching.